Hi guys! So I'm Gina Sibel from UC and now my groupmates and I are gonna go around and ask some people what is philosophy and what is their philosophy in life. So, tara! Yay!
Siguro philosophy is the way how I view things in my life. And philosophy for me is parang standing with the things that I know and I fight for.
So, philosophy sa akin is all about common sense. So, if you know the logic, so you can answer several questions in your life.
Philosophy ko for life is yung pinaka-basic, syempre, live life to the fullest. So, paulit-ulit na yun, isa lang yung buhay. So, syempre, lahat nung gusto mong gawin mo na. Kasi huwag mo lang mapansinin yung sasabihin ng iba. Kasi kahit gawin mo man yun or hindi, may sasabihin pa rin silang masama sa'yo.
Bilang isang young Filipino, yung philosophy ko sa buhay or yung mantra ko is yung maging masaya ako, gawin ko yung tama, hindi lang yung dapat. Kasi minsan, hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon nagiging masaya yung ginagawa, yung lahat yung tama, di ba? So minsan nako-compromise yung beliefs mo, nako-compromise yung kung saan ka nagiging masaya. So ayun, yung mantra ko talaga is maging live life to the fullest. So yun.